GOLLMER Formen is a German company with vast experience in mould making. Their moulds are built to the highest German standards and delivered promptly and fully tested, giving shape to customers' ideas. Customers just like Max. He's a brilliant engineer and designer. His latest concept is a totally unique vehicle, but to build it he needs to custom mould some of its components. What Max really needs is a mould maker he can trust. But finding the right mould maker has proven a bit of a headache. Some are too expensive, others are affordable but the quality is terrible, and some are just so slow he could grow old waiting for delivery. Max can't find time to oversee the project himself as he already has too many tasks to juggle. What he could do with is some expert assistance. Luckily, the friendly staff at GOLLMER Formen are there to help. Max explains his dream project and gives them 3D design files and a full list of specifications. The GOLLMER team verify these, and if everything is okay, the mould data sheet is complete and the mission to turn Max's ideas into reality begins. This data sheet is sent to a select number of trusted suppliers, inviting them to quote for Max's project. Quotations are normally received back just 3 to 5 days later. GOLLMER Formen works with highly skilled mould producers around the world, but they demand all work is done with German attention to detail and efficiency. After a final check, a full quotation is sent from GOLLMER Formen to Max. The final specifications are agreed. Then the winning supplier presents a design for manufacture proposal. This is assessed by the experts at GOLLMER. Then if Max gives his okay, mould making can begin. GOLLMER manage the project to strict deadlines and keep Max fully informed with weekly progress reports. He's pleasantly surprised when the mould is built in less than 8 weeks. It's an exciting moment when the supplier conducts the first mould test. A test part is moulded and immediately winged back to Germany with an accompanying initial sample test report. GOLLMER checks the part, analyses the report and sends it to Max. He checks its parameters and, if all is okay, the mould can be approved for delivery. If there are any issues, GOLLMER immediately informs the supplier and any modifications or alterations are made as quickly as possible. A second mould test confirms that the mould is working perfectly. Then it makes the journey to Germany. It can be air freighted if urgent or sent by sea for a more moderate cost. GOLLMER Formen clean and do a final check of the mould before delivering it to Max. Max's idea can now be turned into reality. Thanks to GOLLMER Formen, Max saved money, saved time, and was delivered a high quality mould to his exact specifications. There was no stress and he could get on with running his business.